Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing everything you need. Update the game and make sure you have Nintendo Switch Online active, because online trading requires it. Add your trading partner as a Switch friend, or have them physically nearby for a local session, and pick the Pokémon you plan to trade. Once chosen, remove any held items and confirm species, level, and nickname. This avoids surprises. Make sure both players are available in-game at the same time, so you can open a trade session without waiting. Now you initiate the actual trade. From the main menu or camp, open the multiplayer or link/trade interface and invite your friend or accept their invite. Once both of you appear in the session, navigate to the link trade option. This synchronizes your parties. Select the specific Pokémon slot to offer. Check level, moves, and nature allowed so both sides know what they're getting. After selecting, hit ready. Communication here speeds things up, so call out any preferences and confirm before the final exchange. Finish by carefully reviewing the incoming Pokémon details on screen, level, moves, and whether it holds an item before you confirm the swap. Once both players accept, the trade completes. Immediately save your game to lock in the changes. After trading, verify nicknames, stats, and that no items were lost. If something goes wrong, try reconnecting your Switch Online, close and restart the game, or re-invite the friend to a fresh session. These fixes resolve most common trade failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.